Insulin resistance is a silent killer, more prevalent than we think. It's a condition that quietly undermines our health, often without any obvious symptoms. It affects millions worldwide, often going undiagnosed for years. Many people live their lives unaware of the ticking time bomb within them. This condition, unlike a sudden heart attack or a cancer diagnosis, silently wreaks havoc within our bodies. It gradually deteriorates our health, leading to severe complications. It sets the stage for a cascade of health problems like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some cancers. The interconnected nature of these diseases makes insulin resistance particularly dangerous. The danger lies in its silent progression, often masked until significant damage has occurred. By the time symptoms become noticeable, the condition may have already caused irreversible harm. The reality is, insulin resistance is far more widespread than many realize. It doesn't discriminate, affecting people of all ages, backgrounds, and lifestyles. It's like a ticking time bomb, silently lurking within our bodies, waiting to explode. The lack of awareness and understanding only adds to its danger. This essay aims to shed light on this often overlooked condition. By increasing awareness, we can take steps to protect our health. We'll explore what insulin resistance is, its causes, symptoms, and most importantly, how to prevent and manage it. Understanding this condition is the first step towards a healthier future. Problems. From diabetes to heart disease, the consequences of insulin resistance are far-reaching and serious. Down the line. Section 4. The roots of resistance, unraveling the causes. While the exact cause of insulin resistance remains unclear, several factors play a significant role. One major culprit is excess weight, particularly around the abdomen. When we carry excess weight, especially belly fat, it can interfere with insulin's ability to function correctly. Other contributing factors include a sedentary lifestyle, a diet high in processed foods and sugary drinks, and genetics. Understanding these risk factors is crucial for prevention. By making lifestyle modifications, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing insulin resistance. Official.